applied, and we got applications and they were assessed, and feedback from the reviewers lead to selection of the grantees. After the selection, there was a workshop with 17 participants physically available. 7 of them are grantees. We have 4 supervisors. One good thing with this grant, it does not only leave the students to work with the supervisors, but advisors were identified, experts in those areas, who are also in the field of development work, and to support the supervisors in getting it right, in implementing the projects that are sponsored. So we have supervisors, we have 4 advisors, and there are 2 project managers in attendance, and we have 5 people join virtually, 2 supervisors and 3 advisors. So we've had that program to also build the capacity of the grantees, supervisors, and advisors to encourage them to work together so that we get the best result out of the grants that we are given. The pictures we have here are the pictures to show the workshop participants on that have participated virtually. One of them I can see the previous ENAN manager. I can see Dr. Olabi of Ebu Zaria. I see Dr. Francis Aminu of Dangote Foundation. And at the bottom are group photographs, including the president and immediate past president and the rest of the members of the ENAN team, and then the grantees. Next slide, please. So what do we give these grantees? There are 7 of them. Each one is to receive $2,500 to support their project, their master's degree project. And we have already started disbursing because it's going to be in trenches. We have already disbursed the first one, and they have already started working on their different projects, which we are going to see an overview of. So we have the website talking about. That's the rebranded website, but it's going to be unveiled fully at some point around lunch or after lunch time. But just to show how it's looking, the website will now be looking more like this. When we come to unveil it, we are going to take people through what aspect of the website, how they access all the resources that are available to the website, and we can also take input and from the members to see how best we can be in making the website more functional. So all procedures, members connect, contact forms, we want to, as much as possible, to see that all the activities of the society are meant to be online. Next slide, please. We have mentioned publication of position papers. I'm sure we are in receipt of the conference materials. For those of us that are full members, must have received the journals. So if you look at the issue 1 of the journal, the first article on it is this position paper, which is on scaring the picture of Nigerian adolescents, nutrition, a position paper of the Nutrition Society of Nigeria. So it appears that the adolescent nutrition aspect in the life cycle is a little bit neglected. So for that, the society identified it and has been working on it. I remember last year we reported that we had a public lecture specifically on this issue of adolescent nutrition at Ibadan. We built to see that we document something through position paper. That is the first one which has been published. We have the second one. Can you go to the next list? The ongoing paper. Next. Yeah, that I've said, it's already published in the journal. Yeah, so the second one, which is ongoing at the moment and expected to be concluded before the end of the year, is a paper on large-scale food fortification in Nigeria, opportunities and challenges. Food fortification has been identified to be one of the key ways that we can address the issue of micronutrient deficiency, otherwise called hidden hunger. And there's a lot of issues surrounding this fortification. There is regulation on it, but the compliance issue and many other things surrounding it are making it difficult to get it right. So the society thought of putting this position paper, like I've said, so as to guide policy direction and also all those that are involved in this area so that we can see how best our fortification services can address the issues of micronutrient deficiency in Nigeria. Next, please. So I have mentioned community-led project. This also we push out call for proposal for chapters to submit. We got some submissions from chapters, and they were meant to make our members more creative in order to see how best we can. Can you click, please? Click on the next please. Just a click. Yes. We call to submit a proposal, small fund. This one also we are funding chapters to see how best they can implement a community-led project that aim at seeing that we improve the practices of nutrition in community, the best practices. And this one is targeting 16 October 2021 to commemorate the World Food Day. So the target is this project should be implemented and completed by that time so that we'll have the projects to be, the results to be disseminated on that World Food Day. So already winners have been identified, and we are going to get to know the winners during our AGM. If we look at our program, we're supposed to say the winners now, but for one reason or the other, we are pushing it to the AGM. So during the AGM, we'll know the chapters that have won that grant. Next slide, please. So these are what we are expecting to see next. That's the what's out. So in the future, the next thing that we hope to take care of is the leadership training for the leaders. So it's going to be 3-day capacity building for Nutrition Society of Nigeria. Why do we have to do that? Like I've said earlier, we need to improve the individuals' organizational leadership capabilities and management in nutrition. We know we have been struggling a lot. We've been putting in all our best, but there's always, like I've said, room for improvement. And we sought through bringing the experts, leadership and management training to also come to interact and guide our leaders. We hope to get something out of it that will make us improve the way we run. To provide structural, effective communication among leaders in nutrition. Part of what we expect, what the objective of this training is to get to also improve on how best we structure our society and how effective can we communicate among the leaders and also among the members of the society, and also among the other stakeholders that are in nutrition cycle in Nigeria and beyond. And also we sought to see how best to impart managerial skills in advocacy, interpersonal skills, and strategic influence. We're all aware we are not a government organization, we are a non-profit organization. To advocate, to push for what we think is right. In that case, we need those skills. We need the skills. As the president of the society, you are a manager, you need to have all those skills that you have to deliver the presidential office of the society. Interpersonal skills, we need to relate with our colleagues and other people. So all these are to be taken care of by that particular program, which is going to build the capacity of our leaders. Next slide. Okay, go back. One time. Just go back one. So like I said, it's going to be in October sometime, next month. And we are going to have a crop of fellows of the society, some selected state chapters. Like I've said, this ENAN project intends to also make our state chapters more active. So we're going to get some of the state chapters to also join, chairpersons to join the capacity building. And then we're going to also involve the council members. Is it going to hold? Whether you like it or not, we are going to Lagos. So Lagos is where this is going to hold, okay, for this particular workshop. So that is to consolidate leadership and management skills for Nutrition Society of Nigeria. Next, please. So what we are going to do now is to see the grantees. I have mentioned that we have 7 grantees across Nigeria who were awarded $2,500 each to implement their master's research targeting implementation science in nutrition. So we have a short video because we intend to have them here to pandemic. Then we have to find a way to say we present them here, and then hopefully by next conference we should be able to have them to present the results of their work and also be part of our communique and see how best we can use it to guide policies. We expect a video now to be played, so I hope that you enjoy it. You just sit back and see the grantees introducing themselves so that you see who and who are granted and where are they from. Thank you very much. Please, can we have the video, please?
Hello, I'm Olutayo Turumadi from the Department of Human Nutrition and Dietetics, University of Ibadan. My proposed research is on the assessment of the nutrition sensitivity of food assistance programs in Lagos State. This study hopes to determine the degree to which non-humanitarian food assistance programs can adopt nutrition-sensitive approaches in their implementation strategy. It proposes to contribute to the gap in knowledge about the practices of these programs in ensuring that their program beneficiaries have access to services that promote health. This information is essential for informing appropriate policy and programmatic changes, and the study outcome will establish the potential role of this program in promoting health and ensure that food assistance policy dialogue are initiated and guidelines set to regulate their activities. I would like to warmly appreciate the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and the Nutrition Society of Nigeria for providing funding for this research project. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Aina Shehu from Bayero University, Kano. My project focuses on using behavior change communication and reminder as strategies to increase coverage and adherence to achieve optimum iron folic acid supplementation of greater than 90 days and to determine factors associated with utilization of iron folic acid supplementation during pregnancy and to increase the association between iron folic acid supplementation with hemoglobin concentration and some anthropometric indices in women of reproductive age in Kano State. This project will add research-supported solutions to maternal and child health challenges, contributing to the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 2, 3, 5, and 10 in the nutrition community. I would like to thank the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and Nutrition Society of Nigeria. You have influenced my life in such a positive way. Words cannot express my appreciation and gratitude. Thank you very much.
My name is Ali Rizilani, a Master of Nutrition student from Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria. My project is about the assessment of nutrition sensitivity of National Homegrown School Feeding Program in Zaria local government area of Kaduna State. In the project, I will be assessing the effect of the school feeding program on the nutritional status, dietary diversity scores, and household food insecurity of the enrolled children. Also, I will be assessing the contribution of the school feeding program on the recommended nutrient intake and daily nutrient intakes of the enrolled children, including the barriers to implementation of the school feeding program in the study area. It is expected that at the end of this project, the effect of the school feeding program on the nutritional status, dietary diversity scores, and household food insecurity, including the barriers to the implementation of the program, will be documented. I would like to use this opportunity to convey my sincere gratitude and appreciation to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and the Nutrition Society of Nigeria for giving me this opportunity and finding me worthy of this grant. Thank you.
I am Idikan Wat from the Department of Human Nutrition and Dietetics, University of Ibadan, and my research seeks to evaluate the effect of iron and folic acid counseling and text message reminders on the uptake and adherence of iron and folic acid amongst pregnant women attending antenatal clinic. If the strategies to be tested leads to an increase in uptake and adherence amongst pregnant women, these strategies could be scaled at the national level. Finally, I would like to appreciate the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and the Nutrition Society of Nigeria for giving me this grant opportunity. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ibrahim Sofiani Darma from the Department of Biochemistry, Bayero University, Kano. I'm working on the project titled Assessment of Adoption of Biofortified Crops Among Farmers in Kano State. The importance of this project is to try to identify the enablers, barriers, promoters of adoption of this crop by the farmers. And such a way, the importance to the people in the community is that it will help in improvement of the crops that will be made in the future. And so also, as a result of the adoption by the farmers, it will increase the acceptance by the consumers, which will help in the reduction of the menace of vitamin E deficiency by the people living in that area as a result of consumption of that product. Finally, I would like to thank Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for this wonderful grant. I will also thank the Nutrition Society of Nigeria for their tireless effort in seeing that this grant have come into being. Thank you very much all. Have a nice day. Have a nice program.
Good day all. My name is Muhammad Awal Saliu from Department of Biochemistry, Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, Kaduna State, where I'm pursuing my MSc degree in nutrition. The aim of my research work is to assess the impact of using phone messages to improve compliance with iron folic acid supplement, to improve IFA supplement, nutrition awareness and behavior, as well as consumption pattern among adolescents in Zaria. The study will be a randomized cluster randomized control trial where there will be it will involve 4 groups and they will receive different interventions. As we have said, the intervention will be conceptualized short text messages as well as weekly iron folate supplementation. And at the end of the study, it is expected that there will be improved compliance with IFA supplements as well as consumption pattern among the adolescents. I would like to use this opportunity to show my sincere appreciation to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the Nutrition Society of Nigeria, as well as the Project ENAN team for giving us this opportunity as well as funding of this research work. Thank you all.
Hi, I am Adeze Pelvis Chima Onumajuru, a postgraduate student of the University of Ibadan, Department of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. My implementation science research focuses on tackling the bottlenecks that impede the uptake of early initiation of breastfeeding in Imo State, Nigeria. This project will lead to recommendations on ways to improve the practice of early initiation of breastfeeding in the state and the nation at large. My heartfelt appreciation goes to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and the Nutrition Society of Nigeria for this opportunity. You deserve all the accolades for deeming it fit to invest in building the research capacity of postgraduate students in nutrition across the nation. Thank you very much.